I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling with payments not going through on Bitstamp, follow these steps to get your transactions back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, a credit card may be expired or a bank account may have insufficient balance. Step 2. Verify account details. Double check that your Bitstamp account details match the payment method you are using. Mismatched names or addresses can cause payment failures. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your Bitstamp account. This adds an extra layer of security and may resolve payment issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reach out to Bitstamp's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into why your payment isn't going through. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues on Bitstamp. Good luck and happy trading!